Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about and give you instructions for how to use Flipgrid. Some of you may be familiar with it, some of you may not be, but basically it's an app that allows you to video yourself easily using your webcam to respond to questions that I pose, as well as interact and respond to the videos posted by other students. So it's a great way to stay in touch now that we aren't going to be seeing each other. um, yeah, great way to stay in touch. So here's what you need to do. First thing is you go to Canvas and modules and find the current week. When you find the current week, you find where it says Flipgrid checkup or something similar. If you're in Miss Crandall's class, it'll say something about Flipgrid. And you click on that. Once you get there, it'll ask you to load Flipgrid checkup in a new window, and you click on that, and it'll open a new tab for you. Once that's open, you should see this, and then you scroll down, and you'll see the video I posted or the video that Miss Crandall posted. You need to watch these first. These contain the questions you will be responding to. So watch the video, and then you click on this plus button, allow the microphone and the camera, and just record your response. Record you talking and answering the questions I posed or that Miss Crandall posed. And that's it. Then you post it. You can come back later. You can create or you can respond to what other people have created. Now, a few important things. First, be respectful, be kind, make sure everything on the camera and everything in the background is school appropriate. Please make sure everything you say is school appropriate. If you want to say something inappropriate, this is not the best place to do it because I have access to all of your recordings. I can download them and send them to your parents or to the vice principal as needed. So please remember that what you're saying and what you're doing needs to be school appropriate. Just answer the questions like you're talking to me or talking to a friend in front of one of your teachers. Yeah, so have fun with it. Be creative. You can definitely have fun with it. But remember that it needs to remain school appropriate. If you have any questions about Flipgrid, feel free to reach out to Miss Crandall or myself, and via email, or you can pop in our office hours and ask us questions there. Thank you so much.